Welcome to Phonics Reading YouTube channel. Here on this channel, we learn to read with phonics. Let's start today's lesson. P, O, T, S, pots. A, N, D, and. L, I, D, S, lids, pots and lids. A, S, A, N, D, sand. P, I, T, pit. A sand pit. A, L, O, G, log. A, B, I, N, cabin. A log cabin. K, R, A, K, crack. Kr as a consonant blend. In kr, we can hear k and r sounds clearly. C and K together make only one k sound. A, N, A, T, nut. Crack a nut. A, S, O, F, T, soft. D, O, L, doll. Double letters make only one sound. We don't read it as D, O, L, L. A soft doll. H, O, P, hop. Sk, I, P, skip. Sk is again a consonant blend. A, N, D, and. R, A, N, run. Hop, skip, and run. A, G, A, S, glass. G is a consonant blend. Double letters make only one sound. O, F, of. M, I, L, K, milk. A glass of milk. A, P, A, K, E, T, packet. C and K together make only one k sound. O, f, off. Ch, e, p, s, chips. Ch is a digraph. Digraphs are 2 letters and 1 new sound. A packet of chips. Hot, hot. Cross. Cr is a consonant blend and double letters make only 1 sound. B, a, n, s. Buns. Hot cross buns. W, a, n, d, m, a, l, s. Windmills. On, on. A, l, s. Hills. Double letters are making 1 sound. Windmills on hills. Now mute the sound of the video and try reading on your own. Thanks for watching. See you soon.